Are you ready to unlock delicious savings on your next DoorDash delivery? Let's dive into how to easily check your DoorDash credits, ensuring you never miss out on those sweet discounts, promotional offers, and refunds. First things first, open up the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look for the account icon. It usually looks like a person or a profile picture. Tap on that to access your account settings. Now, inside your account settings menu, hunt for a section labeled Credits and Promotions or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Tap on that section. Here you'll find a clear overview of your DoorDash credits. You'll see the available amount, when they expire, and sometimes even details on how they were earned, like if it was a refund. Keep an eye on the details of each credit, like the expiration date. Some credits have a deadline. That's it. Now you can strategically plan your meals and maximize your savings. Be sure to refresh this section often to stay on top of upcoming DoorDash promotions or if you expect a refund. Don't forget to use those credits. Thanks for watching, and happy DoorDashing!